I'm absolutely delighted to be here at the Arab Aviation Summit, the 10th edition happening in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. And it's been a fantastic 2 days of really listening and learning for me because, first of all, I'm especially delighted that sustainability is front and center in the agenda over the last 2 days, which is, I think, extremely heartening and enormously encouraging. I think my key learning in this whole summit has been twofold. Number one, decarbonizing aviation is not going to be an easy goal. Decarbonizing aviation is going to need for us to pull on all levers of influence that we have to really ensure we're not depending on SAF or sustainable aviation fuel as a magic potion, because it's one of the options that can really decarbonize aviation. We need the disruptive technologies, we need redesigning of aircrafts, we need the carbon offsetting, and we need all of these different agendas and initiatives to work in tandem. The second big learning, I think, out of the Arab Aviation Summit is we really need to have a very serious discussion about the talent shortages and the labor costs, which is really impacting the profitability of airlines. And I think it's really time for us to think as an industry. If 50% of the population don't really think of you as an aspirational sector to join, I think it's about time to change the game and the mindset and really do something about it. Because retaining and attracting talent, both at a company and industry level, is becoming increasingly difficult. That's really it. I guess delighted to be here. Thank you very much for having me.